Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping supplies and making choices that determine the final look. Lay out 50 coffee filters on plastic. Mix dyes at a 1:4 ratio in spray bottles. Once ready, fold each filter, spiral, accordion, or scrunch, and secure with rubber bands where you want white spaces to remain. You are creating resist and channels for capillary action, so vary tightness for contrast. Make sure to wear gloves. Do the first few filters deliberately to set your rhythm and color sequence before moving faster. Now you apply dye with intention. Start by spraying or dropping dye onto one side, then flip and repeat so both sides saturate evenly. This stops dry rings. Use 1 to 3 colors per filter. Apply heavier tones near centers and lighter hues outward so colors don't mud. Once done, tap or blot the edges to control runs and let capillary action pull pigments through folds. That creates the tie-dye look. Make sure to work in batches and rotate filters to keep colors fresh and predictable. Finish by drying and revealing your patterns. Place filters flat on plastic or hang them to dry for 6-12 hours. Avoid hot sun, which can fade colors. Once fully dry, carefully cut or remove rubber bands and unfold each filter. Press under a heavy book if edges curl. If colors muddle, rinse gently under cold water to lift excess, let dry, then re-dye selectively. Alternatively, reduce water next time and increase white space to avoid muddy blends. Keep practicing. Each variation teaches you control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.